Samsung Galaxy S25 FE is said to be in the works and is likely to go official in the second half of this year. We are talking about the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE, which has appeared in CAD-based renders. The Samsung Galaxy S25 FE's design hasn't changed much from its predecessor. Rumors indicated that the new Fan Edition smartphone would use the same Exynos 2400E chipset as last year's Galaxy S24 FE. Galaxy S25 FE benchmark leak with Xclip's 940 GPU. The phone scored 13,776 in Geekbench's OpenCL test. The S25 FE is expected to launch with Android 16 and One UI 8 out of the box. A 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display is widely expected, larger than the base Galaxy S25. A 120Hz panel for fluid scrolling, gaming, and smoother animations. It will feature a 50MP main sensor, 12MP ultra-wide 10MP telephoto camera. The front camera could range from 32MP to 50MP. Battery size, between 4,500 mAh and 5,000 mAh, with 25W fast charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.